So to remove the fog light on a Honda Jazz, you just have to unscrew this bolt here, and that piece will come off like this, and then you have, so I already removed it on the other side, and then there are 3 screws here, 1, 2 and 3, and then you can remove the bolt, the plug from there. You just have to press it from here, push it down, and then pull it back. So like that you can remove that. So it's a H11 type of bulb, and this is what I'm replacing it with. This brand, I have been using it for some time, this brand, and it seems to be good. So these are the bulbs. Hopefully it will be much better and last longer. And to remove this bulb, you just have to, so initially it's like this, it's like this angle, so you just turn it and then it will pop out like that. Yeah, when you have to put it back, sit it like this, and then you turn it, it will lock. Hope that helps. Cheers.